It's that time of year again, mowing, mulching, and seeding the front yard. I'm so excited about being out in nature again, but first we need to spruce up the lawn. I just got off work and I have a lot to do, so let's get started. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I hope you'll like and subscribe. If you're a returning friend, thank you for all your support. I so appreciate you. Hi, I'm Janet. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a great week and getting ready for the upcoming holiday. Let me know how you and your family spend the Easter holiday. In today's video, we'll check on the flowers I planted in a previous video. I hope if you have a chance that you'll go back and watch it and give a thumbs up if you like it. I'll also be mowing and spreading mulch and planting grass seed. I hope that it's not too late for the grass seed to come up, but we'll try it anyway. I got my hair cut and highlighted for my birthday. It's a little more blonde than usual. Let me know if you like the blonde or if you prefer the darker color. I had my hairdresser try the Wang Toggle method and added more layers and added more blonde for some. At the end of the video, I'll share an upcoming project in my closet and I'll tell you a little more about that and why we're doing it. Maybe we'll get to see the baby birds today. They finally hatched and the mama bird's taking really good care of them. If she's out, maybe we'll get to take a sneak peek and see them. Since I just got off work, I want to get the yard mowed so we can plant the grass seed and finish mulching around the tree in the front yard. I have a bad back and need exercise after sitting all day at work, so Tom got a self-propelled lawnmower, which makes the job so much easier. I love being outdoors in the spring and summer, but I have a lot to do before I can truly relax and enjoy myself. So let's get started. Don't worry, I've time-lapsed the boring stuff so we'll get through a lot quicker. The front's done. Now it's time to get started on the side yard. If I can navigate around and under this bush. It almost takes me out a few times, so I hope you get a good chuckle. I hope you will share in the comments what you and your family are doing for Easter. I get so excited when you leave comments, but I'm sorry that I don't get more. It's fun getting to know all my new YouTube friends, like my new friend Karen Burns. I hope if you'll get a chance you'll go back and watch my clothing haul video and use Karen's 20% off discount code at bronzeandpearls.etsy.com and get your unique handcrafted jewelry and artwork while supporting a new entrepreneur.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3.
Now it's time to load the grass seed into the spreader. Tom has to do that because of my back.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
I've never used the spreader, so don't laugh because I don't know what I'm doing. Tom had to give me directions from the porch on when to turn. We'll get this done, mulch around the tree, and then I'll show you how the plants are coming along. And then we'll go inside the house and I'll tell you about the project in my closet.
Circulation, one step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Tom also had to pour out the mulch. Doing the mulch this way was going to take way too long, so I tried the rake, but that wasn't much better. I found that kicking it around with my foot was the easiest and fastest way to spread it. I'm always about being efficient and effective, better known as being lazy.
Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave.
Now it's time for that quick peek of the baby birds that I promised. Aren't they precious? This is the second year the robins have chosen to stay with us. I love it. I don't know about you, but this girl's tired after working all day in gardening. Let's see what we got done. In a future video, we'll be pressure washing the porch because it's currently green. And here is the hydrangea bush, and it's grown a lot since the last time that we looked at it. My new ground cover is starting to spread out a little bit. And we got some flowers coming in. And here's some more of the ground cover that's starting to spread out. That's not growing too well, but hopefully with a little more rain next week, it'll start to spread out. And we actually had a bloom on this plant, but it kind of died off. But I have another bloom coming in. And here's the yard. We've got the trash out for pickup tomorrow. Tom weed-eated around the chairs. And here's the mulch. I've got when I pressure wash the porch, I'll wash out the bird bath. And here's the yard. And my lilac bush has some blooms coming out. And here's this grass. Tom moved the bench back. And there's our solar lights. And my hydrangea bushes made it, and they're blooming better than they have before in the past 2 years. And there's more of the ground cover. And this is this hydrangea bush, your ground cover. And now let's go out back. And my crepe myrtle made it too. Later on, Tom's going to move this and we're going to make it a gardening trough. Our neighbor moved and we bought this fire pit and this table and chairs, but we're going to have to wash the spring debris off. Here's another table and chair set in our other fire pit. And we took our old solar string lights off that were too short for the front porch, and we're putting them along the back fence. But we like the only lights so better that I'm going to purchase some more to go along the perimeter of the back fence. Lola's doghouse that she never uses, Tom built it. And Tom's fig tree made it as well. Later this summer, we hope to begin replacing the fence one section at a time. And this is our parsley and rosemary. They're growing quite well. Later this summer, we hope to start on this section of the fence, and we're going to make it horizontal instead of vertical. And this is the other part of the yard. And these are the windows we replaced last spring and summer. And as you can see, I've got to do some touch-up paint on the house. We have to remove this siding and paint here, but this is what comes with an old house. The paint jumps off. And I've got to stain the back of the fences, and we're going to ask the neighbors if we can stain the back of this fence. And so I don't continue to interfere with Tom's radio nights on Fridays. And we're going to be replacing this countertop with wood, and we're going to extend it in an L shape across this back wall, and this will be my new desk area for editing, and that'll be in an upcoming video, hopefully this weekend. I hope you enjoyed today's video and spending the day with me. I was thinking about for a future video that we might visit a local antique shop. Let me know what you think about that. Until the next time, live life and find what makes you happy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.